Hi students, in this video let us go with exercise 12.2 of areas related to circles. Okay, let us start the problem. First question. Find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeters and angle of sector theta is 60 degrees. You are asked to find out the area of a sector. In all the problems you are asked to take pi as 22 by 7. Unless stated. Okay. Otherwise, in some problems they will give like take pi as 3.14. If they don't give, we can take 22 by 7. Okay. Area of a sector. Area of a sector formula is theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is 60 by 360. Pi is 22 by 7. R is 6 into 6. Now 6 gets cancelled, 6 into 6, 36 also gets cancelled, 6 2s are 12, 132 by 7 centimeter square. In the same way, second question, find the area of the quadrant of a circle, circumference is 22. See, quadrant means, if this is a circle, quadrant means 1/4 part. If it is given quadrant, it means that theta is 90. Theta is 90 and the circumference is given, radius is not given. 2 pi r is given as 22. That means 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 22. Cancel 22. R value is 7 by 2. Now you have to find out the area of a quadrant. So area of quadrant is nothing but area of this sector. Area of this sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is 90 by 360, pi is 22 by 7, r square is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. This can cancel here 4 times, one of the 7 gets cancelled, 2 will get cancelled here 11 times, 1177 by 8 centimeter square. Okay? See the third question. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14. See, in a clock you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 divisions. So total 360 if you divide with 12 it becomes 30 degrees each angle. For every 5 minutes you will have 30 degrees. For every 5 minutes you will have 30 degrees. What did they ask us? The length of a minute hand. Length of a minute hand is taken as, that means this length is taken as 14 centimeter. The area swept by minute in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes you have to find out the area. This area you have to find out. In 5 minutes the angle will be 30 degrees. Theta is 30 and this has to be taken as radius. Radius is 14 centimeter. Radius is 14 centimeter and you are asked to find out the area of that sector. Area of that sector. So area of the sector is theta by 360, 30 by 360 into pi r square, 22 by 7, r is 14 into 14. This gets cancelled 12 times, 7 2 times, 2 6 times, again 2 3 times, 11 times, 11 into 14, 154 by 3 centimeter square. Okay? See the fourth question. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center of the circle. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment. Say there is a chord here. There is a chord here AB and it is subtending 90 degrees at the center of the circle. This is 90 degrees. Right angle at the center of the circle. So you have to find out the area of the minor segment and area of the major sector. Area of the major sector and area of the minor segment first. Area of minor segment. This segment. Okay. Now look here. To find out area of a minor segment with this part you have to find out. How to get? You can get like area of a sector minus area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. You are told that this radius is 10 centimeter. Radius is 10 centimeter. Okay. Area of a sector is theta by 360. Theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of a triangle is half into base into height. Now here theta is 90 by 360. Pi is 22 by 7. R square is 10 into 10. Half into now. See, when you take right angle triangle, when you rotate the triangle, the base and perpendicular can be taken as base and height. So the sides with which includes angle 90 can be taken as base and height. Here half into 10 into 10. Now it becomes 4 here. Now 2 2s, 2 5s, again 2 2s, 2 5s. Now it becomes 25 into 22. 550 by 7 minus 50. So LCM if I take 7, 550 minus 350, it becomes 200 by 7 centimeter. When you take it as a decimal, anything did they ask us to take? Oh, you are asked to take pi value as 3.14. I'm sorry. So let us take pi value as 3.14 here. That's better, I guess. So theta is 90 by 360 into pi 3.14. R square is 100 minus a half into base is 10. Height is also 10. Now it becomes 4. Now it becomes 314 by 4 because it is 100 minus 2 5 10, it is 50. Now you can cancel this with 4 sevens. 4 sevens 28 34. 4 8 32. 20 78.5 minus 50. It becomes 28.5 centimeters square. So area of this minor segment is 28.5. Is that right? Exactly, 28.5 centimeters square. Now area of the major sector. Area of a major sector. Here it was segment and here it is sector. Major sector means sector area is theta by 360 into pi r square, but here theta major sector means away from this thing you can take. So you can take it as 270 by 360 because total is 360. Here you have to eliminate this. So total major sector, the angle is 270 into pi is 3.14 into 10 into 10. So it becomes 9 3s, so 9 4s. 3 by 4 into 314. So it becomes 4 4 16. Sorry. 3 4s 12. 942 by 4. 4 2s 8. 4 3s 12. 4 5 20. 235.5 centimeter square. Okay. See the fifth question. What did they say? In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, fifth one, R is 21, subtends an angle, theta is 60 degrees at the center. Find the length of the arc. Let us see. Right. This is 60 and this is 21. This is L, length of the arc. First one, length of arc is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Okay, theta is 60 by 360 into 2 into here pi value is given. No, pi value is not given, so we take 22 by 7. R is 21. Now you can cancel this with 6, 7, 3 times, 3 and 2, 6, 6. It is 22 centimeters. Now, next one is area of the sector. Area of a sector. Form. Area of the sector is nothing but theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta 60 by 360, 22 by 7. R is 21, 21. 6 times, 7 3 times, 3 2 times, 2 11 times. 11 into 21, 231 centimeters square. Next one is area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. Segment, that means area of the segment formed. This one he need. Okay, to find out this one, what we need, you should be careful with this only. Area of segment is equal to area of a sector minus area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. Okay, area of sector we have got here 231 minus area of a triangle. See, if you observe carefully, this is center and this is radius, no doubt this is an isosceles triangle. Along with isosceles triangle, what is happening? This angle is 60. And if this angle is 60 and if these two are same, what happens here? If I take this as x, x as s, why? Because this is an isosceles triangle. So it becomes like x plus 60 is equal to 180, 2x equal to 120, x equal to 60. So it becomes equilateral triangle. So what is the formula of area of an equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 4 a square. So it becomes 231 minus root 3 by 4. What is a here? Side. Side is nothing but radius here, 21 square. So it becomes 231 minus 441 root 3 by 4. You can leave like that, no need to simplify, centimeter square. Okay? See the sixth question. A chord of a circle of radius. There is a circle, there is a chord here of radius 15. This is 15 centimeters. Subtending an angle 60. This is 60. At the center, find the areas of corresponding minor and major segments of a circle. Corresponding minor segment is this. Major segment is away from this. Okay. Area of a minor segment is equal to area of a sector minus area of triangle. I told you already in the previous problem, if the angle is 60, the triangle becomes equilateral triangle. So area of a sector minus, and you are asked to take here pi values 3.14 and root 3 values 1.73. Okay, we take that. Area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square minus root 3 by 4 a square. So theta is 60 by 360 into 3.14 into 15 minus root 3 by 4 into 15 into 15. This becomes 6. Now let us take 15 into 15, 225 outside common. So what will be left here? 3.14 by 6 minus 1.73 by 4. So you can multiply like this only directly. 225 into it becomes 0.5. 6 5 is 30. 6 2 is 12. Enough. Minus it becomes 0.43. That means 225 into 0.1. No, it becomes 0.9. 0.9. So 225 into 0.9, it becomes 9 5 is 45, 9 2 is 18 plus 4. 2 is 18 plus 2, 20. So it becomes 202.5. Let me check the answer. It should be 20.435. Somewhere it went wrong. Yeah, here the calculation 0.52. 1 minute. Yeah, here 0.52 we missed here, minus 0.43, it becomes 9, 0.09 actually, 0.09, it becomes 225 into 0.09, 225 into 0.0, I am taking only 2 decimals here, and 5 is 45, 9 2 is 18 plus 4, 22, 20. You can take 20.25. In the textbook they have given 20 point because they might have taken all the 4 decimals, but it is enough. Okay. Now the next one is, they have asked us to find out the area of the major segment also. Area of major segment. Major segment means away from this everything. So how to do that? So if you want area of major segment from area of a whole circle, if you remove this area of minor segment, you will get area of major segment. The whole circle area will be pi r square minus 20.25 take. Pi is, you are asked to take 3.14. R square is 225 minus 20.25. Let's multiply this. 225 into 3.14. Zero 5. Seven 6.50 minus 20.25. 20.25. 706.50. 20.25. 5 2 6 8. 686.25. A little variation with the textbook because it is enough if you take 2 points after the decimal, but they have taken 4 points, I think so. The answer in the textbook, it is 686.065, but it can be done. See the 7th question. A chord of a circle of radius 12. The chord of a circle of radius 12 subtends an angle 120. It is subtending 120 here, 120 degrees. Find the area of the corresponding segment. Area of the segment. So to find out the area of segment, as usual process, area of a sector minus area of a triangle. So let us find out area of triangle first. Because it is 120, we should be a little careful to find out area of triangle. So area of a triangle, I'll take like this. This is 120. If you draw a bisector, it will be 60. It will be 60. This is 12, it is given, this 12 it is given. Okay? So when it is 12 and when you draw a bisector, it will exactly meet at the midpoint. Okay? Now this is x. Now I am going to apply trigonometric concept to find out this base. This is x and this is x. If I take opposite side and hypotenuse, sine 60, if I take sine 60, or you can apply Pythagoras theorem also. So sine 60 will be equal to x by 12, opposite side by hypotenuse. Root 3 by 2 equal to x by 12. It becomes 6. So x equal to 6 root 3. When x is 6 root 3, we take AB, OAB. Total AB length will be equal to 12 root 3. Now area of a triangle will be equal to half into base into height. Height is OAB. So let us find height also. OP we take, OP. Okay. So how to find out OP? OP is y. So we take cos 60. Cos 60 is equal to y by 12. 1 by 2 equal to y by 12. It becomes 6. So y is 6. So height is 6. It becomes half into 12 root 3 into 6. It becomes 36 root 3 area of a triangle. Now 36 into root 3 means 1.73 they told us to take. So 1.73. 6 3 is 18, 6 7 is 42. .28 is the area of a triangle. Now let us substitute. Let us find out area of a sector also. So area of a sector also I'll find out here. Area of sector theta by 360. 120 by 360 into pi. Pi is 3.14 into r square 144. This becomes 3. 3 4s 12 48. Now 48 into 3.14. 3.14 48. It becomes 150.72. Now area of required region, area of segment is equal to 150.72 minus 62.28. 0.72 minus 62.28. It becomes 1284 4 8 8. It becomes 88.44 centimeter square. Okay. Now see the 8th question. A horse is tied. In the figure it is given like a horse is tied and it is grazing. The horse can graze. It is grazing like that. When it is a square field, the angle will be 90 degrees, and you are told that the square field is of the total is 15 meters by means of a 5 meter rope. So 5 meter rope means this will be 5 meter. This will be 5 meter. So it will be grazing only through 5 meters. So you can take R as 5 here, R as 5 here. Total side is 15 meters. Now what is this? The area of the part of the field which horse can graze, and the increase in the grazing area of the rope if it is 10 meters long instead of 5 meters. Both you have to find out. Okay. Okay, let us see. R is 5 and theta is 90. Area is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. So 90 by 360. Pi you are asked to take, pi you can take as 3.14 into 5 into 5. So it is 4. 25 into 3.14 by 4. 3.14 into 25. $78.50 by 7 by 4. 78.55 4. 4 ones are 4. 36. 4 6 are 24. 2 7 8 5. Let us see the answer. 19.625. It's right. Now what did they say? If it is of 10, what if it is of 10 meters? Same concept. 90 by 360, second one. 360 into 3.14 into 10 into 10. This becomes 4 and it becomes 314 by 4. 4 7s 28 34. 4 8 32 20. 78.5 centimeter square. It is area. 58.875. Somewhere between. Okay, the answer is given like increase in the grazing area. So increase in area will be 78.5 minus 19.625. Now while you subtract this, you should do carefully. 78.5, put zeros here. 19.625, subtract 5, 7, 8, 17 minus 9, 8, 58.875. This is exact area. Okay. Right. Look at the 9th question. A brooch is made. A brochure is made with how many parts it made? Diameter 35 mm. So R is equal to 35 by 2 mm. The wire is also used in making in the form of a circle with diameter. The wire is also used in making five diameters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 diameters. It is used, which divides the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown in the figure. The total length of the silver wire required. You have to find out, and also the area of each sector of the brooch. See what is happening here. A brooch, that means you have certain wire, silver wire, in the form. First you have to make a circle. The wire is also, that means first of all, right. So first of all, with this radius, so length of the silver wire required. For to find out that we have to find out perimeter length of wire. Length of wire will be equal to perimeter or circumference of a circle is equal to circumference of circle plus 5 into lengths. So diameters of each 35 mm. 5 into 35. You have to make. So what is the circumference of a circle? 2 pi r plus 5 into 35. 5 is 25, 5 is 15 plus 2, 75. What is pi? Pi is here. You are asked to take pi value, nothing. So you take 22 by 7 into radius. Radius is 35 by 2 plus 175. So it becomes, you can cancel 2. You can cancel this 5. 110 plus 175. It becomes 285 meters of wire, of wire is required. See, I'll explain again. You have to make a circle. So circumference of a circle. Again, you have to make 5 diameters. So 5 diameter means 5 into 35 mm. So plus the circumference of a circle. So he needs 285 mm of a length. See how many parts it made? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 parts. 10 parts means each angle will be equal to 360 by 10, 36 degrees. So what did they say? Area of each sector of the brochure. So to find out the area of each sector, theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is 36 by 360, pi is 22 by 7, r square 35 by 2, 35 by 2. This is 10 times, 7 5 times, 5 2 times, 2 11 times. So 11 into 35 by 4, 11 5s, 35, 33, 385 by 4. It becomes 4 9s, 36, 25, 4 6 are 24, 10, 2 are 8, 2 5. Let me see. So, 385 by 4 only they left is fine. Okay? Look at the 10th question and see the figure there. 10th question. An umbrella is made with 8 ribs equally, and the figure will be like this. 4 on one side and 4 on the other side. 4 on one side and 4 on the other side. So total will be 8 ribs. Okay. So 8 means it is divided into 8 equal parts. So each angle theta will be 360 by 8. So 8 4 32, 45 degrees. Each will be 45 degrees. Now what did they say? Assuming umbrella to be flat circle, just assume like a flat circle of radius 45 centimeter, and the area between the two consecutive ribs of umbrella. You have to find out the area. Area is equal to theta by 360 into pi value. Is it given here? No. 22 by 7 r square 45 into 45. Right. So it becomes 8 here. So 2 4s, 2 11s here. So let us multiply. Multiply this 45 into 45 into 11. 45 into 45 will be 225. 180 into 11. 11 5 55, 11 2 is 22, 27. 11 2 is 22. 22275 by 8 centimeter square. Is it centimeter? Yeah, exactly centimeter. Now look at the 11th question all of you. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. Definitely car wipers will not overlap. They will not overlap and they'll make like this. They'll make like this. Car wipers will be like this. What are they doing? Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter. That means radius will be 25 here. At an angle of theta is 115 degrees. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. Area, very simple. Area theta by 360 into pi. Is the pi value given? No. 22 by 7 r square. 25 into 25. Let us see. 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 72, and 2 36, 2 11s. Anything else? Cancels? No. Let us see the answer, how much they have given. So write into 2 because you are asked to find the total area. So it becomes 2 18s. So let us multiply 25 into 25, 625 into 11 into 23, 23 into 11, 253 by 7 18s, 7 8s, 56, 126. Let us multiply this. 3 5 is 15, 3 2 6 plus 1 7, 3 6 are 18. 5 5 is 25, 5 2 is 10 plus 2 12, 5 6 30, 31, this is 12 50, 5 11 8 5 1 5 8 1 2 5 by 1. You can leave like that. Right, look here. See the 12th question. To warn ships underwater for underwater rocks, a lighthouse spreads a light, red color light, over a sector of an angle, like this. It provides light 80 degrees here, 80 degrees here, and the distance to a distance of 16.5 kilometer, 16.5 kilometer. Find the area of the sea over which the ships are warned. So this part of the area will be covered by this light. So you have to find out the area of this whole part of the area will be covered. So you have to find out the area of this part. Area is equal to theta 80 by 360 into 16.5. You can take it as pi r square. Pi value is given 3.14. 16.5 into 16.5. Yeah. Now you can cancel this 4 9s, 4 2s. So it becomes 6.28. I like to change like 314 by 100, 165 by 100, 165 by 100. So it becomes denominator. Let's calculate. Okay, here 165 by 10, 10. So when you calculate this, it becomes 189.97 kilometers square after calculation. You can check. See the 13th question. There is a table cover here. There is a table cover, and it is made with a design like with 6 parts. Okay, 6 parts like this. The radius of the cover R is equal to 28. Okay, cost, you are asked to find the cost here. radius is 28. To make the design. To make the design they are taking how much? Cost of making design is 0.35 per 1 centimeter square. So first you have to find out the area of the design. So first of all you have to find out area of design. Area of design is equal to 6 into area of a minor segment. For this minor segment, what is the theta? So for this minor segment we need area of a sector minus area of a triangle. Area of triangle. So for area of a sector, what is theta? See, if it is divided into 6 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts, each angle will be 60. If each angle is 60, it becomes equilateral triangle. So it becomes 60 by 360. Any pi value is given here? Only root 3 value is given. Pi value is not given. So we take pi as 22 by 7. Pi r square. R is 28 into 28. And it is root 3 by 4. Root 3 by 4 a square. A is 28 again. 28 square. Now it becomes cancel 6 here. 7 cancels 4 times. 2 can cancel here. 2 3s. Now 28 square, I write 28 into 28. It becomes 4 7s. Now after this, 22 into 56 by 3. 22 into 56 by 3. 6 outside, 6. Minus root 3 is 1.73. Only 1.7 they have taken. 1.7 into 7, 8, 6. 7 to 14, 196. 196. Let's multiply this. 6. Let us take 6 inside, so that you can avoid some decimal here. If you take 6 here, 6 into 22 into 56 by 3 minus 6 into 1.7, 6 7s 42, 10.2 into 196. So 56 into 44. 2464 minus 196 into 10.2. $1999.2. Now we'll subtract this. 2464.0 1992.2. It become 8 1 7. It become 471.8 centimeters square is the area. Now I have to multiply 471.8. Cost is equal to 471.8 into 0.35. Let's multiply this. Here the subtraction has become wrong, I think. 2464 minus 199.28 and 4. 15 minus 9 6. 13 minus 9 again 4. It is 464.8. 464.8. Cost will be equal to 464.8 into 0.35 centimeters square. I'll come up with the calculation. It is 162.68 rupees. Okay. See the 14th question. What did they say? Area of sector of angle P. Theta is P here in degrees and radius R, capital R. Area of a sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. So R is equal to, now theta is P by 360 into pi r square. P by 360 into pi r square nowhere it is there. If I multiply with 2 and divide with 2, it becomes P by 270 2 pi r square, which is the last option. Okay, all the best guys.